Hi, I'm Sami. You have time to waste? I'm here to waste it. Pack some orders with me while I yap about our shipping process and give you some tips for making your shipping process go a little smoother. Today, we're packing 43 orders. That's 108 items by hand. It's just me and my beautiful bride Waka and, our label printer, a shit ton of tape, and the love of Christ himself. We have really dialed in our system over the past few years because honestly, we had a lot of late nights. Now it moves much quicker. So first things first, start with labels. If you are still taping like printer paper to boxes, you are wasting so much of your time. A 4x6 laser label printer literally changed our lives. Now it's just print, peel, slap, ship. You're done. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Here's a tip. When we're doing our Whatnot live shows, we keep our orders in stacks. We have a branded sticker on the top of each pile with their name written on the back. We keep those stacks in order of when they purchased. First order is at the front of the line, last order is at the end of the line. Whatnot labels print in that same order. So after the show, when you print them, you are just assembly lining straight down and everything matches up. You don't have to watch all the video receipts to see what you actually should put in each box. It saves so much time. For things that we sell on our website, my handmade items, they get a little extra love. We pull them off the rack and then quality control each one. They always get a little snip for those loose threads, but sometimes I gotta bring them downstairs and do some real work. I've gotta finish seams or fix flaws, little things I didn't notice in the moment when I was making it. I really wanna spend the time to make the things right because the repairs now are free, but returns are not free, and I'm trying to avoid those. Even for our vintage items, I like to clean up the loose threads, fix the little stuff. If it's a clearance show or a fresh finds show, baby, you are getting that shit as is. But whenever you spend more, I want to make sure you're getting your money's worth where I can. Also, just wiping things down that are dusty, lint rolling, the usual. But if you're doing constant clearance, then maybe you don't want to offer that, and that's fine too. With the handmade items, everybody gets a note because I am so grateful. Truly, you're supporting my art? That's fucking insane. You're getting a little love note from me. A shipping label is not gonna say what I wanna say, which is, thank you. Holy shit. Thank you. Another little tip for you, lay out your poly mailers and labels for every single order before you ever seal anything up. One label per mailer down the line. Match it up because expensive things happen when you make mistakes, okay? It adds up. Everything's matched up to its label, and then shazam, we're sealing them up and we're getting them out the door. We try to ship everything same day or the next morning at the very latest because honestly, we don't want your shit in our house. We want it in your hands. So take it, please. A few other little things. If it's a very expensive order, if it's international, we like to double bag those and tape them double, triple secure because our girl, the postal system, sometimes they put these packages into cage matches and they really go through the ringer before they get to you. We want them to arrive safely. To recap, get a fast printer, sticker labels, so much easier. Keep things in order, keep them organized during your live shows, take care of the things before you send them out, show gratitude where you can, and find a process that works for you. Let me know what you're doing, and as always, like and subscribe, follow and bookmark, and do all of those things. Links for some of the stuff that I love are probably going to be below. I love you. Thank you for watching. See you soon.